from this video is we move to the second part within the tutorial. I have made the numbering, so we will back to our home page of Manim. And when you come to the home page, you'll find a total 5 examples. I would like to line by line to demo to you is what those examples can show, and you can get that working in your own this coding. Some of the syntax we were not mentioned during the earlier quick start, but during our testing, I hope is we can get some ideas before we go to the later on reference manual to see the old syntax in detail. So there's 5, so you can see it's a continuous motion is this one, and also we have the opening Manim, square to circle. I think this one is the same for one of these 003 or 4, but we will do this demo quickly as well. So unit example and wrap square. So those are coming from the different flavor, and let's try to do this demo one by one. And what I mean this sample is this homepage is manim.community. So let me also put that here. So homepage. So I add this link. So when you click this link, you will get this information. So let me see. So within this number 2. So now is the time is we can create our new folder. So this folder is, let's see, so we are now in 007. Let's create 007 like earlier one. So when you find this subfolder, you come back to the video, then this you can get this content, and this 007 we can starting to create our file called is continuous motion.py and import from Manim import everything. So continuous motion, so we make that class with scene. We know how to use that, and then def construct. So all those with self are standard part. And then we go to the non-standard part, all this real content. So let me put that in the left and see a little bigger one. So what's this continuous part is a function. We have our lambda with this. Oh, so maybe that I should put. Yeah, that is better. So we can see longer of the code. We create a function and using this lambda function position and use this np sign. So this kind of the motion is the curve lines. So we use this the triangle function. So sign position 0, the first index divided by 2 times UR, and here is a cosine. And we know this left is the left edge of your object. Let's see, and the streamline, we use this streamline based on this function. So this function is our calculation. So we started, we did our based on this sine and the cosine and make those the input to make the calculation. Then let's see the second line. Second line is the stream. Streamline is based on is we create this as our keyword, the built-in the vocabulary, but we haven't saw this in the quick start. So, but this first argument is our function. So we put our function as our input, and then here is this line width, and the max anchor per line is the 30. So every line is we have 30 the different anchor. So that is the fine, and we are using this add. So self is our construct. So we add one stream lines, and then we starting to have this animation. So until now is we cannot run that because it's not really making this running. So that is a streamline start animation. So looks like this one is starting to make that. Let me, oh, so is, let's code that CD, and then that is the tutorial and home 2. Oh, let me see. So we have this 2 CD007. Let's see here. Let me try to run that. Is Manim PQL, and with our file continues, and then continue motion. Whether is this allow us to run? Yeah, we can see here we got our the blank the rectangle. So that is at least we haven't got any arrow. So that's fine. So let's do this last one. Last one is keep some this hold. Self is weight, and with this streamline divided by the virtual time. And here is based on this flow. So let's run this again. Waiting. See, it's rendered. Now you can see here. So we already get that, but we can here is you can show the this one, and this is us, and where is the speed? So if I adjust this speed, whether this will make that faster. In this home page, actually they have this repeated. So yeah, you can see now this 5 is quite fast. So let's make that smaller, and we can have this width. Let's make that bigger, and others I think is we don't need to change. Let's see our current effect is thicker and slower. So this waiting now is render that in more detail, because that will have our this streamlines in more type of these lines. Now you can see slower, and the lines is getting the thicker compared to that, and the total is not 2 seconds. Since it's running slow, it's come to the 30. So that is give our the longer part. If I keep make the flow speed lower, then this video will be getting the slower as well. So we start is this is the continuous motion. So you don't need to take a detail is to understand all these functions meaning, but we use this as the first example to show you the powerful of the Manim can do that. We finish this one, and the next one we will do this another sample. So it's coming to here. This sample we will need to put is some mathematical formula, but let's keep in mind is in my Windows 11 is this LaTeX is not running correctly. So I may try this during the video, and if needed, we need to do some troubleshooting afterwards. Then thank you for your watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.